This tutorial will walk you through how to create a lined Newsboy hat. You can print out the free pattern that I made for this by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the hat panels together in groups of 3. Then you want to sew the 2 sides of your hat together with right sides together. Now let's get the brim ready. Apply heavy interfacing or buckram to the brim of your hat. Then sew the 2 brim pieces together with right sides together. Turn the brim to the right side and top stitch for a clean finish. Now you want to sew the brim to the rest of the hat. Center the brim on the center of one of your panels and sew it around the hat opening. It should go about halfway around. Now we want to sew the lining together. You'll do this the same way that you sewed the rest of the hat. So start with groups of 3 and then sew the 2 groups of 3 together. Once you have your lining put together, you want to place your hat inside the lining and then sew around the perimeter. Make sure to leave a gap in one section so that you can turn it to the right side through that gap. After turning it to the right side, you want to stitch up that gap, and I recommend top stitching around the base of the hat for a neater finish. And there you have it, a new cute Newsboy hat.